May 10 is National Shrimp Day. Shrimp is officially the most popular seafood in the United States, with the average American consuming about 4 pounds of it every single year. This celebration honors the tiny but mighty crustacean that has been a staple of coastal diets for centuries. Today, foodies across the country mark the occasion by hitting up their favorite seafood shacks or whipping up classic dishes like garlic butter scampi, crispy coconut shrimp, or a giant chilled shrimp cocktail. Beyond being delicious, shrimp is a nutritional powerhouse packed with high-quality protein and essential minerals. With over 1,000 different species found in both fresh and saltwater, there's a unique flavor profile out there for every palate. They are also incredibly versatile, fitting into everything from high-end gourmet pastas to backyard boils and quick weeknight stir-fries. So whether you're firing up the grill, peeling and eating, or just dipping into some cocktail sauce, May 10 has something for everyone. If you want to learn more, visit nationaltoday.com.